Hello, 𝗏𝗲𝗃𝗍𝗄 NGU property refurbishment. Right, let's go for tips to do with splashbacks in your kitchens and your bathrooms, the type of trims you should be using. So here we go. So you can see this one here. There's a trim. There's three types of trims. There's the first one's the plastic ones, which are the cheapest ones. And I guarantee if you get plastic ones, tenants will paint down the line. Because they're plastic, you'll not get the paint off. The next one, get yourself a chrome trim. And it's square edged. If you get a square edge, just because it's square edge, when the tenants come to paint up, again you get paint on your tiles. The third one, which is the most expensive one, so make sure your fitters, or when they do your splashback tiles in your kitchens or your tiles in your bathroom, get a round edge trim, a chrome round edge trim. As a result, because of the profile, it means paint doesn't really go on it if the tenants end up painting next to the trim. Now, I know it's only a couple of extra pennies, but if you spend those extra pennies, have that type of detail, bomb-proof your rental property, make sure you tell your fitters these type of details. So it's 𝗏𝗲𝗃𝗍𝗄 NGU.